Hello and welcome to this video on bonsai styling. Look at any standard bonsai text and you will see a limited range of specified styles that make bonsai. These are rigid and conform to a specific set of expectations and criteria. There is a degree of malleability and adaptability in these styles, but it is very limited. In this structured definition of bonsai, there are limits to the ability to be creative and, more importantly, recreate nature. Bonsai is an art that imitates life in many respects, and these styles do not necessarily achieve that result. This video ignores the impact of placing a tree in a pot, but rather focuses on the effects of bonsai style. Not exclusively, but generally, the rigid rules of bonsai styling are not able to create a natural tree in its appearance or even in its general feeling. Consider these images. One tree is essentially a wild specimen, growing uncontrolled and under environmental conditions. The other is a trained bonsai specimen. The difference is immediately apparent. One tree can be seen and will occur 100 times again. The other is different from one to the next and may never be repeated. The unnatural structure of standard bonsai styles are impressive. They appear as well-crafted artisan pieces, but they do appear crafted. Wild trees have obscure details that make them natural. The typical bonsai has a standard pattern: left, right, back, and repeat. How many times has this been heard from workshops and experts? Natural trees have branches that go up at a right angle, or growing from the bottom and down, others with multiple trunks that grow directly up, others lack taper or are not the right shape. Collectively, these are considered wrong in standard bonsai forms. These trees tell an image, but those in the wild tell a story. This is more true for those that have been drawn from local and native specimens. For this reason, a knowledge of the normal appearance, the habits, growth pattern, and quirks of a species is necessary. Although not native to the area, this fuchsia and these olives developed several quirks from their time in a garden, something that would almost never be seen in a standard form. These are now being reduced and turned into a trained bonsai. The effects of this approach are suitable for irregular specimens that are unsuited to standard styles, something to the effect of making the best of a bad situation. To be inspired for this, a recent exhibition included a talk about something called the Tree Project. This was based on photographing amazing wild specimens, trees which break the mold of the standard bonsai. This is not a gross detraction of standard bonsai forms, but an observation of how this limits and impacts the natural imitation of trees. The best standard trees incorporate the best of both the natural and the standard bonsai aspects. These are in the small details that make a tree unique, but also in adherence to the well-established forms that people can recognize and appreciate. That is to say that a standard bonsai form has a place, but that place is increasingly being looked at as something too rigid, controlled, and confining for true bonsai. Thank you for watching this video. Please post any comments, questions, or suggestions you may have below.